Hello guys, this is just a quick video. I am going to be at a car meet on Saturday. I just wanted to let you guys know it's not my car meet, it's a modified car scene. There's a group on Facebook for it. It'll be on CARLTON-ON-TRENT, Newark. So it's about half an hour from Mansfield. I'll put the link in the description with all the information, and I'll also put the postcode and that. So if any of you guys want to go, that's where I'll be. There's me and a couple of other VXRs going, so yeah, if you want a chance to meet me and that is a little bit closer to you rather than where we're going on the 2nd, then there is a chance to meet me there. So I thought I'd quickly do a video for you guys so you could see, so you could see where I'm going to be at, just in case it's easier for you guys. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, let me know if you're going to be there. It's just, like I said, literally a quick video just to let you guys know that I'm going to be there. So if you do want to meet me, again, I'll be there. I'll have stickers on me and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, thank you for watching guys, and the next one will be very soon, and it will be a good one, so don't you worry.